First thing you need is to enable this plugin, Day Sequence. It will ask for a restart. Once you restart it, you should delete all your light sources in the scene. Then look for a Sun, Moon, Day Sequence actor, drop it into the scene, and basically that's it. You get this new menu here. Here you can control the time of the day, and as you can see, it's already working in real time. If you tick in this option, the game will start with the time of the day you set here. With this value you can change how long a day takes in minutes, so if I set it to 1, then the whole 24-hour will be over under 1 minute. Next thing you might notice is that the night sky is very bright. To change that, under details, look for the moon component and change the intensity to something lower. But then you might notice a quick exposure shift when you are panning the camera. A quick fix for that is to add a post-process volume to the scene, and in the component look for exposure. Tick this in and set it to manual. Tick this as well and max it out. Go to the bottom and tick in this option. This will expand the area of the post-process volume to the whole level. And now it's looking much more realistic. However, if you now check the daytime, it's going to be a bit bright. To fix that, in the sun component, change the intensity to 0.5. Now it's all looking good. Don't forget to add transmission to the sun and or the moon component to get back the subsurface effect I showed you in my other video. Additionally, with tweaking the fog values, you can easily create some otherworldly hellish looks with ease. Keep in mind that this is an experimental plugin, so watch out for that. Other than that, that is it for today. I hope it helped and see you next time.